Hi, anybody who knows me knows that teeth are really, really, really important to me. I take a lot of pride in taking care of my teeth. I love the dentist. I love to floss. I have my own picks. I have a water pick. I have a Sonicare toothbrush. I take a lot of pride in my teeth. Because I put years of braces on them and just a lot of work into them. The problem is, as I get older, I grit and grind my teeth. And so my teeth, which I love, are getting smaller and shorter and shorter and shorter. And I feel like as I smile or when I perform that I feel like I'm losing that wow, pow, bam, bang feeling that you get when you see somebody with a really, really great smile. And so I have been talking about veneers for years, but the commitment for getting veneers, it just seems like too much. I've heard that you damage your actual teeth trying to do that, and I'm not ready to go there. So I signed up for instasmile, did the molds. They came back with my teeth this week and I'm so excited. So I did not go for the bright white like I originally wanted to, because I wanted it to make sure that they matched my bottom teeth, because I only got a top set and they look beautiful. Look at them. They look beautiful, and these are clip-on veneers. Super excited to show you what this does. So here's my smile now. It's not a terrible smile. You just don't see a lot of teeth because my teeth are getting shorter and shorter. But these guys pop in. I'll show you like this. Right on. Oh, let's see. Can't see what I'm doing. There you go. Right on like that. You see that? And there's such a close match to my bottom teeth, and they just make me feel like I have a smile that I'm like looking at myself. I just love the look. Now, I will say that I have to get used to them. Once I have them in for a little bit, I talk a little bit better with them, everything. But overall, I love that it pushes out my upper lip a little bit. They're a little longer than my natural teeth, and they come out this way, and I'm obsessed. So I'm super excited to be able to use these for my photo shoots, for video shoots, for singing on stage. I'm just really, really happy with how they turned out, and here is my new smile.